The topic is trigonometry. In the topic, solved problems are going on. In solved problems, until example 9 we have discussed yesterday. Let us going to discuss the example 10 IMP 7 marks question and IMP objective bit also. Example 10, page number 279. Page number 279. Example 10. Suppose alpha minus beta is not an odd multiple of pi by 2. Alpha minus beta is not an odd multiple of pi by 2. M is any non-zero real number. M is any non-zero real number such that m not equal to minus 1 and sine of alpha plus beta by cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. Then prove that tan of pi by 4 minus alpha is equal to m tan of pi by 4 plus beta. This is 7 marks IMP question. Before going to discuss this answer, we should learn the concept that componendo and dividendo. Put side heading componendo and dividendo. This is the concept of this sum. Componendo and dividendo. The concept of componendo and dividendo is if A by B is equal to C by D. That implies A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. That's all. If two terms are equal, two fractions are equal, that is called as they are in proportion. Whenever the two fractions are in proportion, we apply numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator is equal to numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. So whatever the operation we are applying for first fraction, the same operation we should apply for second fraction also. The concept is called as componendo and dividendo. Depends upon this concept, we should do this question. Now, given, you should write, given value sine of alpha plus beta. Sine of alpha plus beta by cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. Now, by, we should write componendo and dividendo. The concept by componendo and dividendo. That implies numerator plus denominator. So sine of alpha plus beta plus cos of alpha minus beta by numerator minus denominator. So sine of alpha plus beta minus cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 1 minus m plus 1 plus m, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator becomes here 1 minus m minus 1 minus m. Now, sine, here one sine term is there and one cos term is there, numerator and denominator also. There is no proper formula for sine term plus cos term. Either two terms should be sine or two terms should be cos. We are having the formula sin c plus sin d. So now you should try to understand that cos theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Using this one, you should write instead of cos, sine of 90 minus of theta. So sine of alpha plus beta plus, here you should write sine of pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta like this. Sine of pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta whole by sine of alpha plus beta. Sine of alpha plus beta minus this is also sine of pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta. That is equal to here minus m plus m get cancelled, here 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So 2 by minus 2m, you should get 2 get cancelled. Now I am writing the formula sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d formula we have learnt as 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. This is applicable for numerator, and for denominator the formula sin c minus sin d. So that formula sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. These two formulas should be applied here. I am writing continuation part here, students. Try to understand. 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2 sin of here c meaning alpha plus beta, and d meaning pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta. 2 sin c plus d by 2, you should write like this: alpha plus beta plus pi by 2, alpha plus beta plus pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta. This is c plus d by 2. This is c and d I had written by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So alpha plus beta minus of, you should write like this, minus of pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta whole by 2. Whole by 2. Whole by, in the similar way, sin c minus sin d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos of here c meaning alpha plus beta plus d meaning pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta whole by 2 into sin of here c meaning alpha plus beta minus of like this pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta. No need to get confused here. Whatever the term in numerator you had written, the same term you had written in denominator also. Here minus should be in the numerator always. So write like this. This is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. Next step, that implies 2 sin of here. You should take care of the step. Directly I can write, but you should not get confused. That is why I am writing slowly. Try to understand like this. This is alpha plus beta plus pi by 2 minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Here plus pi by 2 minus alpha, minus of minus becomes plus beta whole by 2 into cos of alpha plus beta. In the similar way, this one also should write like this: alpha plus beta minus pi by 2. This minus and minus becomes here plus. So plus alpha minus beta here. There will be no change for the beta symbol. Whole by whatever the term we have applied, whatever the sum we had written, as it is letters you should write and take the symbols as it is. 2 cos of alpha plus beta. No need to get confused. Simply straight away you write alpha plus beta plus pi by 2 minus alpha plus beta whole by 2 into cos of, as it is you should write cos of alpha plus beta minus pi by 2 plus alpha minus beta whole by 2 is equal to, you should write here minus 1 by m. Now if there is any get cancelled terms are there, you should get cancel it. Alpha and minus alpha got cancelled, and here beta and minus beta got cancelled. In the similar way, denominator also alpha minus alpha got cancelled. Here beta minus beta got cancelled. That implies, of course, 2 and 2 also you can get cancelled. Now what is happening? Sine of beta plus beta becomes 2 beta. Now sine of, try to understand the step I am writing, pi by 4 plus 2 beta by 2. It is pi by 4 plus beta. Students, beta plus beta is there, 2 beta. 2 beta plus pi by 2 is there. Pi by 2 plus 2 beta whole by 2 becomes pi by 4 plus beta. Pi by 2 into, in the similar way, cos of. Now I am taking common minus. How much? Okay, unexpected rate. Cos of minus pi by 2 plus 2 alpha whole by 2 like this. This one only I had written directly here. Cos of minus pi by 2 plus 2 alpha. In the similar way here, cos of, in the similar way here, pi by 4 plus beta into sine of minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 plus 2 alpha whole by 2. Minus pi by 2 plus 2 alpha whole by 2 is equal to minus 1 by m. That implies sine of, this is pi by 4 plus beta into cos of, and taking common here minus, and try to understand what I am writing, pi by 4 minus alpha whole by, because minus taken common, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, pi by 2 becomes pi by 4, and 2 alpha by 2 becomes only alpha. And here you write, this is cos of pi by 4 plus beta into, here also you take minus common, it becomes within the brackets sine of pi by 4 minus alpha, because plus taken minus common here, plus becomes minus within the brackets, 2 alpha by 2 becomes only single alpha, that is equal to minus 1 by m. Here we need to remember two formulae. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. There is no change about minus in terms of cos. And sine of minus theta becomes minus sine theta. According to these two formulae, next step you can write, that is equal to sine of pi by 4 plus beta. Sine of pi by 4 plus beta into, there is no minus for cos, so write directly cos of pi by 4 minus alpha whole by cos of pi by 4 plus beta. Cos of pi by 4 plus beta into, right here, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, so minus sine of pi by 4 minus alpha is equal to, for our convenience here I am writing minus m in denominator. This minus and this minus get cancelled. Otherwise, if you multiply with minus, minus into minus it becomes plus. Now you can understand the value, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, and cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Otherwise, you can write like this directly, tan of pi by 4 plus beta. Tan of pi by 4 plus beta by, because this cos taken down, it becomes sin by cos. Sin by cos term will become as tan pi by 4 minus alpha is equal to 1 by m. Now take cross multiplication. By taking cross multiplication, you will get the value, tan of pi by 4 minus alpha. That implies, now you can write the value by taking cross multiplication, tan of pi by 4 minus alpha is equal to, tan of pi by 4 minus alpha is equal to m tan of pi by 4 plus beta. Tan of pi by 4 Here once again I am writing, maybe the visible problem is there in camera. So tan of pi by 4 minus alpha is equal to like this. M tan of pi by 4 plus theta. This is the sum. Students, if you know the concept of component and dividendo, you can understand this concept. Of course, not only component and dividendo, so many concepts are there in this sum: sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, and cos of minus theta, sin of minus theta, component and dividendo. Such type of question is called as multiple concept question. So multiple concept question is always important, whether it is board exam or EAMCET exam or AP exam or objective anything, mains or advanced anything. This is most IMP question. Of course, this is not in advanced standard. In main standard directly given. So try to understand this question. Once again, you repeat this question. Otherwise, you will be unable to understand. So, okay, completed. Next question. Let us going to discuss about the exercise. Examples completed. Exercise 6E should be going on from today onwards. Page number 280. Exercise 6E. Yesterday I given Roman number 1 6 sums. Now let us going to discuss about the Roman number 2 questions. Roman number 2 questions in exercise 6E. Exercise 6E, Roman number 2. This question is in objective homework, level 1 homework. The question is there. For the question we can apply shortcut in objective, but here we should not apply shortcut. Prove that cos theta plus cos of 2 pi by 3 plus theta, cos theta plus cos of 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus cos of 4 pi by 3 plus theta equal to 0. Here one you can apply the formula cos theta is equal to cos 360 minus theta. According to all silver teacups allied angles, cos 360 minus theta. Now taking LHS, simply cos theta write like this, don't change. This one cos 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus this total angle can be written as, instead of 360 you can write 2 pi minus of like this, 2 pi minus of 4 pi by 3 plus theta, that is equal to cos theta plus cos of 2 pi by 3 plus theta. Now take LCM here, 3 theta 6 pi minus 4 pi becomes 2 pi. So within the brackets you can write 2 pi by 3 minus theta. Now transformations formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, we have learnt as 2 cos a cos b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b as 2 cos a cos b. So this is cos theta plus 2 cos a, meaning here 2 cos 2 pi by 3 into cos b meaning cos theta. Here cos 2 pi by 3 meaning cos 120. Cos 120 can be understood as cos of 90 plus 30. Cos of minus, this is nothing but minus sine 30. So it is minus 1 by 2. That is equal to Write like this. Cos theta plus 2 into the value now we found as minus 1 by 2 into this is cos theta, 2 get cancelled. So write like this is cos theta minus cos theta becomes 0. This is RHS. For this one, if the same question given in objective, then you should put the shortcut theta is equal to 0. For objective, for cos or sin, put theta is equal to 0 degrees or 90 degrees. For other all trigonometric values, tan, cot, cosec, sec, theta is equal to 45. You will be getting plenty of sums. Easily you can get the answers in objective. If theta is equal to 0, cos 0 becomes 1. Of course it is 0, of course it is 0. Cos 2 pi by 3 meaning minus 1 by 2 have calculated. Cos 4 pi by 3 means cos 240. Cos 240 can be calculated as cos 180 plus 60 minus cos 60, it is minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 becomes 1 minus 1, 0. So directly we can say the answer in proper way by putting the shortcut. Of course in IB you should not put the shortcut. Now Roman number 2, second question. Maybe we have discussed such model in yesterday class. Prove that sine square of alpha minus pi by 4. Sine square of alpha minus pi by 4 plus sine square of alpha plus pi by 12 minus sine square of alpha minus pi by 12 is equal to 1 by 2. Before going to discuss about the sum, let us remember the formula sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So LHS I am taking as the formula sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Right here sin square of alpha minus pi by 4. Okay. Plus now sin of A plus B you should write like this. Sin of alpha plus pi by 12 plus alpha minus pi by 12 into sin of A minus B you should write as alpha plus pi by 12 minus alpha plus pi by 12. Alpha plus pi by 12 minus alpha plus pi by 12, because whenever you are doing minus the symbols will be changed. Now let us remember the formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Using this formula, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta whole by 2. Plenty of formula we have discussed regarding multiple, submultiple and means. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta. That is equal to this sin square alpha minus pi by 4. We can write as 1 minus cos 2 theta becomes cos 2 into alpha minus pi by 4 whole by 2 plus here pi by 12 and pi by 12 get cancelled. Here alpha and alpha get cancelled. Now what is happening? Sin 2 alpha into sin pi by 12 meaning how many degrees, students? Pi meaning 180 degrees. So 180 by 12. 180 by 12 is 15 degrees. So 2 pi by 12 means pi by 6. Of course it is 30 degrees. 15 degrees plus 15 degrees you can write as 30 degrees. That is equal to next step 1 minus cos into, you can understand this is 2 alpha minus pi by 2. 2 alpha minus 2 into pi by 4 plus sin 2 alpha whole by 2 we should write here sin 2 alpha into sin 30 value 1 by 2. Now we can write as, remember the formula as cos of minus theta is cos theta. In reverse model I am writing here cos of pi by 2 minus 2 alpha plus simply sine 2 alpha whole by 2 I am writing by taking LCM for this one 2, for this one 2. Now cos of 90 minus theta is always sin theta. So next step you can write as that is equal to 1 minus sin 2 alpha. 1 minus sin 2 alpha plus here we got sin 2 alpha whole by 2 minus sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha got cancelled. Now you got the value 1 by 2, that is nothing but RHS. Now this is also objective question in next chapter. Trigonometric equations is there. In trigonometric equations in objective level 1 fifth bit. So plenty of questions are there. Whatever the questions are IPE, same questions you can face in objective also. Sin x plus sin y is equal to 1 by 4. Such model question yesterday we have discussed. Sin x plus sin y is equal to 1 by 4, comma cos x plus cos y is equal to 1 by 3. Then show that two bits are there. First one, tan of x plus y by 2. Tan of x plus y by 2 equal to 3 by 4, and cot of x plus y. And cot of x plus y is equal to 7 by 24. 7 by 24. Given you write, given sin x plus sin y is equal to 1 by 4, that it is first equation. Next, cos x plus cos y, sin x plus sin y you have written 1 by 4, and cos x plus cos y is 1 by 3. Now 1 by 2 you write. 1 by 2 meaning here sin x plus sin y by cos x plus cos y. We are having the formula sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d. So what is the formula of sin c plus sin d? 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Here cd means xy. 2 sin of x plus y by 2 and cos of x minus y by 2. Cos c plus cos d concept, 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Here cd meanings are x plus y. Here you can write 1 by 4 by 1 by 3. 2 get cancelled. Cos of x minus y by 2 total term will be get cancelled. So tan of course sin x plus y by 2 by cos x plus y by 2 becomes tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to this 3 will be reversed, and you know that it becomes 3 by 4. Now tan of x plus y by 2 we got. Now first part we have completed. He is asking second part as cot of x plus y is equal to 7 by 24. Here you need to remember a formula. In the submultiple angle, tan A is equal to, of course, tan 2A formula we have discussed that 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Here submultiple angle tan A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. You can raise a doubt, sir. He is asking cot, sir. Why you are doing tan, sir? After taking reciprocal, you will get cot. That implies tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y is equal to, using the same formula I am writing here, 2 tan of x plus y by 2. 2 tan of x plus y by 2 whole by 1 minus tan square of x plus y by 2. That implies tan of x plus y is equal to The value we got as tan of x plus y is equal to 3 by 4. Substitute the value here 3 by 4. And 1 minus this is 3 by 4 whole square. This is 3 by 2 by this is 1 minus 9 by 16. This is 3 by 2 by take LCM 16 minus 9 by 16. That is equal to this is 3 by 2 into here 16 by 7. This 2 will be dividing 8 times 3 8s are 24 by 7. We got the value tan of x plus y. Now we need cot of x plus y. Right here tan of x plus y is equal to we got as 24 by 7. Therefore, we know that cot of x plus y is equal to reciprocal of tan of x plus y or 1 by tan of x plus y. So, cot of x plus y is equal to 7 by 24. Let us discuss fourth question now. Fourth one, 4 marks IMP question. In this chapter, 4 marks IMP question regarding IPA exams. If neither a minus pi by 12, a minus pi by 12, nor a minus 5 pi by 12 is an integral multiple of pi, then prove that cot of pi by 12 minus a plus tan of pi by 12 plus a is equal to 4 cos 2a, 4 cos 2a by 1 minus 2 sin 2a. This is COS cos. 4 cos 2a by 1 minus 4 sin 2a. That's all. In previous textbook, hence deduce that tan 15 also is there, but now got cancelled the question. We got here 4 cos 2a by 1 minus 2 sin 2a. For each and every question, why he is giving like this means if it is integral multiple of pi, so cot pi becomes cot of 180 cot 90 plus 90 minus tan 90 minus infinity. So infinity you should not get. That is we used to do like this. We need no need to bother about the condition. Now apply according to our rule. Take LHS. Take LHS now. LHS I am writing as cot 15 degrees minus a. This is 15 degrees. Pi meaning 180, 180 by 12, 15. 15 degrees minus a plus tan. This is also 15 degrees. 15 only pi by 12. Okay. 15 degrees plus a. This is LHS. Now, better to change cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. 15 degrees minus. Cos of 15 degrees minus a by sin of 15 degrees minus a. Plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees plus a by cos 15 degrees plus a. Now take LCM. In denominator you will get like this. Sin of 15 minus a degrees into cos of 15 minus a. Not minus a. This is plus a. Now this into this and this into this. So numerator becomes cos of 15 plus a into cos of 15 minus a. Cos of 15 plus a into cos of 15 minus a plus sin of 15 plus a into sin of 15 minus a. Sin of 15 plus a into sin of 15 minus a. If you know the formula of compound angle, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is the formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B? Cos of A minus B. If you know formula properly, then only you can understand whether it is trigonometry or algebra or anything. Cos of here A minus B meaning 15 plus A minus of 15 minus A becomes minus 15 minus of minus A becomes plus A whole by, now I am writing, okay, in next step I will write sin 15 minus A, sin 15 minus A into cos 15 plus A. Numerator, let cancel 15 degrees. In numerator we have cos 2a, cos 2a whole by, now let us multiply and divide with 2 because denominator can be understood as 2 sin a cos b formula. So this is 2 sin of 15 minus a into cos of 15 plus a. 2 sin of 15 minus a into cos of 15 plus a, this is degrees. Let us remember the formula 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b formula sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Now write like this. This is 2 cos 2a whole by, now apply the sin of a plus b concept. Sin of 15 minus a plus 15 plus a. In the middle plus you put and a sin of 15 minus a minus b. So 15 minus a minus 15 minus of minus becomes plus here. 15 and 15 get cancelled here. Minus a get cancelled here. That is equal to, numerator you should write as 2 cos 2a whole by, this is sin 30 plus minus sin of minus 2a is there, students. Whenever sin of minus theta is there, it is minus sin theta. So write here minus sin 2a. That is equal to, this is 2 cos 2a whole by sin 30 value, we know that it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus sin 2a. 1 by 2 minus sin 2a. Now you can write here 2 cos 2a whole by, take an LCM, it becomes by 1, and you should write like this 1 minus 2 sin 2a whole by 2. This 2 will be going to numerator. 2 2s are 4 cos 2a whole by 1 minus 2 sin 2a. This is the RHS of the given sum. Now let us discuss small sum is there. Fifth question is there. Roman number 2, fifth question. Prove that 4 cos 12 degrees, 4 cos 12 degrees, cos 48 degrees, cos 72 degrees. 4 cos 12, cos 48, cos 72 degrees is equal to cos 36 degrees. 12, 72, how much? 84. Anyhow, no, of course. Okay, write like this 12 and 84, 40. Any 1248 only we can take 2 into, right, like this. 2 into, any mistake, 2 into 2 cos 12 cos 48 into cos 72 degrees. Let us going to remember the formula 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. That is equal to here 2 into cos 12 plus 48 becomes 60 plus cos of A minus B, 12 minus 48 minus 36. Even though minus 36 for cos there is no minus. That is why simply write as cos 36 and outside cos 72 had written. Now 2 into, write like this. This is 1 by 2. Multiply, better to multiply. This is 2 cos 36. 2 cos 36 into cos 72. 2 cos 36 into cos 72. 2 get cancelled. 1 we have. Minus 36. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Correct. Now again apply the formula 2 cos A cos B. Now cos 36 plus 72. 2 cos A cos B. 36 plus 72. 108. Into cos 36 minus 72. 36. 2 into mistake.
Cos 72.
Outside that. Oh, again you should multiply. Okay. Not only 1. Here we should multiply like this. 2 into. We should not get cancelled. Like this. Now we should write cos 72 also. Whenever 2 and 2 get cancelled. No. Next step we can write. That is equal to, now multiply with 2. Already multiplied.
Yes, sir.
Now it's okay. Okay. Now cos 72 multiplied with 2. Cos 72 plus 2 cos 36 into cos 72. 2 cos 36 into cos 72. That is equal to cos 72 degrees plus 2 cos A cos B formula cos A plus B plus cos A minus B cos 108 plus cos 36. Now you can write this one. Cos 72 is nothing but sin 18. Plenty of times we have discussed. Now write like this: cos 90 plus 18 plus this is cos 36. Now sin 18 is there, and we know that cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Sin 18 plus cos 36. Sin 18 get cancelled. We have only cos 36. It is R. Today, last sum is there. Let us discuss this one also. Roman number 2, 6th question. Prove that sin 10 degrees. Sin 10 degrees plus sin 20 degrees plus sin 40 degrees plus sin 50 degrees. Sin 10 plus sin 10 plus sin 40 plus sin 50 is equal to sin 70 plus sin 80. Sin 10 plus sin 20 plus sin 40 plus sin 50 equal to sin 70 plus sin 80. Okay, anyhow, we can write LHS sin 10. 10 to 50, 60, 20, 40, 60. Like this we'll write. Sin 10 plus sin 50 take as a group, plus sin 20 plus sin 40 take as a group. Remember the formula sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So 2 sin 10 plus 50, 60, 60 by 2 meaning 30. Into cos 10 minus 50, 40, 40 by 2 becomes 20. Plus this is also the concept 2 sin C plus D by 2. So 40, not 40, this is 30. Into cos, of course student 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, 10 plus 50, 60 by 2, 30. 10 minus 50, 40, 40 by 2, 20. 20 only had it previously. 20. Now this is also 20 plus 40. 20 plus 40 how much? 60 by 2, 30. 20 minus 40. 20 minus 40, 20. 20 by 2, 10. Now 2 sin 30 you can take common in both. So it becomes cos 20 plus cos 10. 2 into sin 30 becomes 1 by 2 into, this can be understood as cos of 90 minus 70, plus this can be understood as cos of 90 minus 80. 2 get cancelled, cos 90 minus theta becomes sin theta. So it is sin 70 plus cos 90 minus theta becomes sin theta. It is sin 80 degrees. This is RHS. Okay students, successfully have completed today exercise 6.3 concept sums and Roman number 2 sums also. I given Roman number 1 sums homework. Let us finish. Okay, you finish the homework. Let us going to discuss the Roman number 3 sums in next class.